The most important thing of today's session is your virtualization technology, which is a backbone of a cloud network. I always call virtualization is a way to run multiple operating system and users application on a same hardware. For example, you can run Windows and Linux on a same laptop. The OS are completely isolated from each other. So this OS, which is virtualized, is completely isolated from every other OS, which has a great security over it. Virtualization is also a technique of abstracting physical resources and making them appear logically. Virtualization may be implemented at compute, storage, network, and application layer. Then you see that it is a broad term that refers to abstraction of your computer resources. I always like this part. There is no cloud without virtualization. This is my favorite term which I use. Like, what is the backbone of cloud? The backbone of cloud is virtualization. What is the backbone of virtualization? I will call this as a hypervisor. Then we will see the benefits of virtualization. Virtualization optimizes utilization of IT infrastructure. It reduces the cost and management complexity. It reduces the deployment time. It get more out of your existing resources. Increase flexibility, improve desktop manageability and security by having a centralized management system. It reduces the data center cost by reducing your physical infrastructure and improving your server to admin ratio. Now, there is two types of hypervisor. Hypervisor is important for virtualization. So without hypervisor, there is no virtualization. So definition of hypervisor, which is also called as virtual machine monitor, is a software layer that allows several virtual machines to run on a physical machine. So it's a software layer that allows several virtual machines to run on a physical machine. So what exactly this hypervisor does? So the physical operating system and a hardware are called as host, and a virtual machine operating system and applications are called as guest. So this is also called as guest, and this hardware is also called as a host machine. So now there is two types of hypervisor, which we call it as a type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is called as bare metal hypervisor. Why? Because this hypervisor is directly on the metal or on the server. Hosted, we call this as because the hypervisor is installed over the operating system, and then this is separately handled, and this is also called as a nested hypervisor, which is running by the help of a process. The process can be your VMware workstation, Microsoft virtual PC, etc. So whenever you say bare metal hypervisor, it is enterprise level hypervisor where you are from VMware we use ESXi, from Microsoft we use Hyper-V, and from Xen we use Citrix Xen hypervisor. So bare metal has complete control over hardware that doesn't have to fight with your operating system, whereas hosted avoid code duplication, easy management, but it kills your system. And people prefer not to go to the hosted because it is already having the operating system, and then you will not get a complete control over the process. Users of virtualization, it consolidates your server environment by running a web server or mail server on the single hardware or a single server. You can easily deploy multiple operating systems without affecting computer stability. It uses for QA testing. Network products like firewall may require for tens of computers. You can try testing through the product at each pre-release milestone. Cloud computing, this is the biggest benefits of virtualization, where it uses for a cloud computing, the modern buzzword. Amazon sells computing, Azure sells computing, Google sells computing, and this is one of the biggest reason why you prefer to go to cloud, because the backend it runs virtualization. So virtualization technology has been provided by many competitors and many companies. VMware is the topmost one. VMware provide the hypervisor with the name of ESXi, whereas Citrix provide the hypervisor with the name of Xan, and Microsoft provide hypervisor with the name of Hyper-V Core, which is Hyper-V. And there is management tools which is used with each company. For VMware, they use vSphere Client. For Citrix, they use Xen Center, and for Microsoft, they use Hyper-V Manager. So the journey begins here. Your cloud journey started with the traditional infrastructure, then you virtualized it, and then using the cloud service and virtualization service and internet services, the same backbone virtualization is called as a cloud. So now you know the secret behind a cloud computing. A backbone of cloud is there is no cloud, it is just someone else's computer.